Hello everybody and welcome to part 2 of Hail to the King Deathbat. Now we're gonna go slap this chest over here. I'm Space Cadet Gamer. You probably already know. Fuck, I can't get the door. Don't worry guys, I got it. Shit. Here we are back, part 2. Oh shit! Yo, what's up, girl? How you doing? Oh, I get back to ungodly bastards. Yes. Alright, bro. Thanks for telling me what's up. Say what's up. Shit. Hey, oh, fuck. Heals coming out. As far as I've gotten. Completely blind. Alright. Got this shit. Oh fuck. Hey, oh no, get the fuck. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. Oh, are you serious? I just got help with that. I like these graphics. Maybe not the lava so much, but... Hey, what's up, Deathbat? How you doing?
Hail to me, baby.
Wait, was this totally unnecessary? I love how the level design is actually just... I have 174 coins. What's up with that? Ow. 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 I feel like we didn't even have to go that way. Honestly, I feel like we just have to do this. Oh shit. Oh fuck. I don't like that one bit. I do not like this one bit. Die, you stupid gremlins. I asked you to be a gremlin? No! I did it! And the Space Cadet Gamer is the almighty next to the rev. Yo, what's up? Hey, you're the same guy. Back now if you got a burn, that's still gross. Just for these to wait for you. Is that thing with the 7X on it? Alright, I didn't know what to say, but... Get off. Yes. I just want to get my coins. Alright? All I want is to get my coins.
Hail to me.
Hail to me. Oh, boom.
Get up.
Grab her. Come on, girl. Ooh, some unholy confession. Fuck that. Alright. We got this. All magic. Oh, some nightmare. Gate key. Yeah! I have the gate key. Oh, that was like an instrumental version. I was actually okay with that.
Death is my savior. Or just
Squeeze till I cannot pray. Break all your promises.
I'm ready to do some slaying. Tell me if you guys. Oh, you're playing 8 minutes. All right. Tell me if you guys like this, because I'm really a fan of that show called itself, but having a game. Honestly, I thought there would be more shooting, but you know, I guess Shadow was
these guys.
the main guy of this. He was. I don't know. I forgot. I watched the interview. Alright, hopefully this is going to be a little harder. The last guy was a little... Oh fuck, yes, this is harder. Oh shit. Fuck, they're faster than me. Bullshit. Accept my fate, motherfuckers. Bitch! Aw, sad. I wanted to listen to more Nightmare. Castle Key. Woo! Progressing in this game. Alright. I forgot how to do my outro again. Oh yeah. So thank you everybody so much for watching. Leave a like, comment, subscribe. Tell me if you want to see more of these, because I really love playing this. I'm a very big fan. So tell me if you want to see more, because I will play more. But for now, thank you all for watching. And I'll see you possibly next one. Bye!